Hey guys, what's happening? How to create the perfect LinkedIn profile that stands out. First of all, click your avatar icon at the top left. Make sure to add an eye-catching profile photo. Clear, professional, and approachable. Second, powerful headline. More than just your job title, highlight your value, okay, in the about section. Engage about section. Tell your story, showcase your expertise, and add personality, right? And make sure to add experience that sells. Use bullet points, quantify achievement, and show impact. And you're gonna be able to see the volunteer section in the skills section. Make sure to add portfolio work, videos, or key accomplishments, right? Add skills and endorsements. Highlight top skills and get or key accomplish and get recommendations. And make sure to add a unique URL, a LinkedIn URL. You can click the contact section right here. Click the pencil. And you're gonna see the profile URL. Fortunately, you can just edit that LinkedIn URL from your app. So make sure to add a custom LinkedIn URL. Keep it clean and professional. And stay active, right? Go engage with your network, right, of people. Engage with posts, connect with industry pros, and share insights. Now you're ready to impress and attract opportunities. Let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.